Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at the messages for the last 15 days of April. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what are the messages for Pisces for the last 15 days of April. Messages for Pisces. So we have the Page of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Ten of Swords, Eight of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, Strength, and the Five of Cups, and the Empress. So Pisces, what I feel here is that you've started something new. There has been some sort of a new beginning over here with the Page of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles. So what I feel here is that there is definitely a new beginning over here, and you are balancing this situation, whatever this is, whatever this new beginning is. You are trying your best to balance it in some way, shape or form, taking either you are teaming up or you are taking the opinion of others. Whatever you are doing it. You are trying to balance it. You are trying to achieve balance in this new beginning, whatever this new beginning is. You are trying to take it forward in a balanced way. It's something like that. Okay. And you are moving, it's the way it is coming up is you are moving stepwise, slowly and steadily upwards. It's something like that. Okay, Three of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, and it's like something like that. That is the vibe which I'm getting. See, it's like you are slowly and steadily building it up, trying to balance it, whatever this new beginning is, whatever this small step forward is in your life. And then we have the Queen of Cups, the Ten of Swords, and the Eight of Pentacles. So somehow what I feel is you have been dealing with some sort of a either betrayal or something like that. You feel that you've been knocked down because of something. So you have a lot of emotions for a situation. See, one more thing which I'm getting here is that you are trying to balance your emotions. It can be that also. You're trying to take back the control of your emotions. Slowly and steadily you have taken a step. You are trying to balance your emotions, balance your life, or balance something in your life you are emotional about. It can be that way also. And with the Ten of Swords being there and the Eight of Pentacles, you are working hard on something. Okay, so you know that you have suffered some sort of a betrayal. That's what I feel. You know that you have suffered some sort of a betrayal. You have suffered in life, and now what I feel is maybe that is the reason that you are not opening up emotionally that much. You are taking it slow and steadily. You are working hard, reviewing and contemplating every time, because see, what I feel is you want something stable. You want something stable, and that is why you are this time perhaps not opening up emotionally, because you know that you've been knocked down before. Whenever you have opened up emotionally, maybe you've been knocked down and you have suffered betrayal or something like that. So this time you are being more practical. It can be that also. Maybe you are being more practical, and you are not, and you are moving slowly and steadily and building up the foundation slowly and steadily in this, if it is a relationship or whatever it is. Okay, that is what you are doing. You are reviewing and contemplating. You are taking it slow. That's what I feel. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Strength, the Five of Cups, and the Empress. So what I feel here is that definitely you are manifesting something new here. There is a new beginning coming in, but it is requiring a lot of effort. It is requiring patience, determination, effort, hard work. whatever it is, it's something like that. So it may depress you in between. There may be moments of that you are feeling upset about it, maybe because it is so hard. It can be that also. Maybe the path itself is not easy, and that is why you feel upset in between. Okay, it can be that also. So you have started something new, you've taken a step forward, something new, you are trying to stabilize it. That's what I feel. You're working hard on it, not being emotional about it because you really don't want to, or you're working hard on your emotions and stabilizing your emotions, whatever it is. But yes, you are moving practically. That's what I feel. It's not an easy job for you, it's not easy. Whatever new beginning you are manifesting here with the Empress, okay, it's not easy. You are moving in a practical way. Maybe this itself is not easy for you, that you being a Piscean, it's all about emotions, and this time you are being practical. It can be that also, and that itself may not be an easy task for you, but you are doing it beautifully. That's what I feel. Though there is a lot of strength and patience being required in it, but you are doing it anyway. It is sometimes giving you those low tides or low phases, because that's not you. Basically, it's not you. You are all emotions always, and maybe that is what it is. That's what I feel. But yes, you will be able to do it successfully, and you are achieving a brand new beginning in which you will feel very good about yourself. It is abundance, it is positivity, it is fertility, it is everything what you want. That's what I feel. What is the message from this deck for Pisces? The Seven of Hearts. So maybe you have to choose something. Maybe there are many choices, maybe there are many options, or maybe you are confused over something. So perhaps that is why you are contemplating and reviewing, because you really don't want to make a wrong move. Guidance from the angels. Messenger of abundance. Wonderful news regarding your career. A new job, a promotion, or acceptance into an excellent school comes into your life. You might feel ready to do something that is challenging and fulfilling. This situation may involve someone who is fun to be around and sometimes mischievous. This person, who may be you, is youthful, optimistic, and very clever. So Pisces, what I feel is that you are moving in a practical way this time and manifesting something new, moving in a stable, grounded, step-by-step fashion way, which is not the usual you. That's what I feel. So Pisces, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.